we took the last video off so that we could go on vacation, like I'm sure you did. But we're back now, and I want to talk to you about something I get asked every class, and that's about the Overdose kits or the Naloxone kits. They are free at every major pharmacy in Ontario. Once you get one, the pharmacist will take 5 minutes to instruct you and show you how it works and answer any of your questions. When you open them up, they have a pair of gloves, a barrier device, and 2 nasal injectors. All right, everybody should be carrying one of these because opioids do not discriminate. Okay,